Hey job seekers, looking to kickstart your career in digital marketing and content strategy? Here's an exciting opportunity at Cognizant for a junior online analyst (CM) role. 2. Why this job is great. If you love analyzing online content, working with data in Excel, and improving digital marketing strategies, this role is perfect for you. The best part? You don't need prior experience. Freshers with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. 3. What you'll do. Monitor and analyze online marketing campaigns. Use MS Excel for data analysis and reporting one. Help optimize digital marketing content. Stay updated with the latest industry trends too. Work with teams to manage online platforms. 4. Must-have skills. Proficiency in MS Excel. A good knowledge of digital marketing and content strategy. A strong English, reading, writing, speaking. A teamwork and problem-solving skills. 5. Work details. Of office-based role. A rotational shifts. 6. Why join Cognizant? Work in a collaborative, global environment. Be part of a company that values diversity and innovation. Great career growth opportunities. How to crack this job. 1. Excel skills are a must. Learn VLOOKUP, pivot tables, conditional formatting, and data analysis in MS Excel. Take free online courses on Excel for beginners and data visualization. 2. Understand digital marketing basics. Learn about SEO, social media marketing, content management. Explore platforms like Google Analytics and SEMrush. 3. Improve communication skills. Since the job requires English proficiency, practice spoken and written English. Try mock interviews and communication exercises. 4. Know the company and role. Research Cognizant's digital marketing strategies. Understand their approach to content management and analytics. 5. Prepare for the interview. Be ready to explain Excel functions and how you'd analyze content data. Expect situational questions like, how would you improve a company's online presence? 6. Stay confident and apply now. If this sounds like the perfect role for you, don't wait. Apply today and start your career in digital marketing.